bubagerani ima ini mekang setan sini bubagerani mekang awo tak terlai setan sini bubagerani ima ini mekang setan
Cuma halai janai rumah, tapi lo kamu rekan. Cuma tenggai tangai rumah, lo pani serang melangkah.
Kini bubagerani mekeng, bubagera ayo lokeng, ayo bubagera ayo lokeng, Greta tipalen maro nai, Greta tipalen maro nai. Ayo kecoba chole nai, ayo kecoba chole nai. Ibrasa ayo lokeng, Ibrasa ayo lokeng, ini matai no maro nai, ini matai no maro nai. Ayo kecoba chole nai.
November, under the guidance of our Maharashtra Pradesh Kishore Governor, the Tipra Motha Party chairman has already left for Delhi, and we are witnessing our soldier of our demand. Those who are carrying the message of Greater Tripoli are moving in the train, more than 1,400 people. We expect it to be more than 1,500. We have not counted very accurately, but we believe it should be within 1,500. So they are moving today, and we hope and we pray to God they move slowly, softly, and reach Delhi safely. And I'm also going tomorrow by flight, and we'll meet there. And as per our schedule, we shall launch 2 days to 30 and 31, something like that, 29, 30 or 30, 31. So these 2 days will be our very important days when we will be sitting together and submit our memorandum for our demand of Greater Tripoli to the Union Home Minister and other